Hey guys, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Again, I hope that you are doing absolutely fine in your respective life and preparing well for your exam, be it your med school exam or your STEP exams. So in this video, I'm just focusing a little bit of the context that I usually talk about. In this video, we will be talking about an important exam which is NEET 2022. Yes, obviously I'm talking about the NEET PG 2022, and what I want to share over here is not something like how to study medicine or how to study pediatrics or stuff like that, because obviously I haven't read those things, and those things are not asked in USMLE Step 1, and even in USMLE Step 2 there is very limited knowledge that has to be asked uh, if we compare it with what is being asked in NEET or INICT. But I want to share a very important and a smart trick which obviously most of the people they can follow apart from their usual studies if they want to score high in certain topics of the test. So in this video I will be sharing a book with you which I take it as like holy bible, and everyone who is preparing for USMLE refers to that book obviously. But I will tell you how you can use that book to boost your score in the NEET exam, in the upcoming NEET exam, in the shortest possible interval of time. So yes, obviously I am talking about the Holy Grail, which is the first aid for USMLE Step 1. Like whatever whatever good things I talk about this book, they fall short of mentioning this book or describing the value of this book. This book is valueless. It has got no value. Like it has been reviewed and written and being contributed to by so many people that it is impossible to bring a replica of this book. That is why this book is so important. But if we come back like how we can use this book for scoring maximum in NEET 2022, obviously some of the sections how we can use this book. So obviously in NEET 2022, if we start using this book, then the most important section according to me for which this book should be consulted is number one, microbiology. I can guarantee you, I can reassure you that no question of microbiology is gonna be asked outside of this book, be it parasite, be it fungi, be it RNA viruses, DNA viruses, bacteria, even other things like antimicrobials and stuff like that. No question is gonna come outside of this book. So if you are little bit weak in micro, or you feel that you have not that much amount of time for preparing for micro, just go to this book and start preparing for micro from this book. Another section which I can guarantee you that no question will come outside of this book is immunology. Immuno Immuno is a like subject or topic which is trickier, which most of the people find difficult. But I assure you, if you read this book, no question is gonna come outside. Be it transplant rejection, be it immunosuppressive drugs, be it NK cell, T helper cell, how that whole process works, or be it like um, like those things like hypersensitivity reaction and stuff like that. No question is gonna come outside of this book. So these are the two sections, microbiology and immunology, which you should study from these books. Other topics which you can obviously study from these books are something like biostatistics. I guarantee you no question is gonna come outside of biostatistics part. No question is gonna come outside of this book. Be it specificity, sensitivity, like PPV, NPV or stuff like that. Whatever it is, you can easily crack if you study this book. And like you can also study genetics from this book if you are little bit weak, like pedigree analysis, what are the trinucleotide repeat disorder and stuff like that. You can study easily from this book, that genetics part. And referring to biochemistry, I cannot assure you that every question will come out from this book, but I can guarantee you like roughly like 60 to 70% of the questions you can easily attempt if you study from this book. And last but not the least, if someone is weak at medicine, or if someone has kept medicine, I don't know, like he's taking a chance on medicine, then I would suggest you, if you have time, if you have time, start studying like daily. Just devote 1 to 2 hours for each system. Like in total there are 10 system: cardio, endo, hemat, gastro, renal, respi, repro, neuro, psych, msk, and there is one more section, yeah, reproductive. So in total there are 10 chapters, and if you start devoting like 1.5 hour or 2 hour daily to each chapter, then I assure you, by the end of 2 months you will get something productive out of it, and you will be confident enough if you just take a chance on medicine. So that is what I want to convey in today's video. I hope you like this video, and if you want me to make more videos like this, like for example, let's say in one of my videos I cover parasite, in one of my video I cover other stuff. So feel free to comment, and also if you have other suggestions like what should I bring on to this channel, you can also comment on this video. Thank you so much, and all the best for your neat journey. Thank you so much.